Welcome to episode 16, and let's see how to unblock the object. To block this object, take the whole object at once. Type block and enter. Then name the block. Suppose I name it as bed and redefine the block. Now the bed is blocked, and now if click the whole bed gets selected at once. Same with the dining, which is unblocked right now, so I select the whole object again and block it by giving it a name and done. Now the whole dining is blocked, and you can move, copy, or do whatever in just one click now. Now I don't have to select every part of the object one by one since it's blocked. So as the bed is blocked, I can copy the entire bed at once by selecting a specific point on it, then clicking the corresponding point on the other plan layout to place it accurately. Since every part of the bed is editable, selectable, so that means it's unblocked, but the bed this side gets selected at once, so that means it's blocked. Note that if at all you want to unblock a blocked object, select the object you want to unblock and click on Explode. It explodes the object, and now your blocked object is unblocked and every part is set apart now. Same with the dining. As it's blocked, select the whole object and explode it. And now again every part is set apart. Thanks for watching.